Hi guys, Piotr here. This LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss some possible signs of the market top and how to spot them over here. Also, we are going to discuss the possible signs of the market bottom and how to spot them. And finally, we are going to try to explain how we can take the advantage of these signs. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay folks, last time we were discussing the single chart candle pattern, and as you can see here, still we have from the previous video the examples. Now we are going to discuss the whole pattern when it comes to the candlestick chart. Well, the thing is that, as I mentioned, I really love the rejections when it comes to the single pattern. But what is going to happen when we are going to break that pattern when it comes to the single chart, right? Now, if we are going to break the rejection, retest is the name of the game. Usually we are going to retest and move higher, especially on the higher time frame. Well, if we are going to monitor the chart on the smaller time frame, and we are going to see some upper shadows, lower shadows, whatever you wanna call it, we might not be aware of the bigger price action. So in that case, let's monitor this one. That was the latest sign of the weakness. Whenever we were approaching this supply level, we've seen the rejection. Same here. But once we have the breakout, the real breakout, we haven't seen anything else, just the move to the upside. And that's what we have to monitor. Well, why should we monitor this? Because of this price action over here and the high. Once we retest after the breakout this level, we've seen higher levels. So we might talk to about the single candles as previously and work with them, especially on a daily basis, going lower to 1 hour charts, 15-minute charts, maybe 3-minute or 1-minute charts. But once the big level is broken based on the higher time frame, we have to respect that one, okay? The same here. And that's another thing I like very much. If we are breaking the level, important level from the higher time frame, I'm looking for the 3 Rayleigh retest. Okay, we have 1 Rayleigh, 2nd Rayleigh, and 3rd Rayleigh with the big rejection. And the same is going to work to the downside. Well, if we are going to have, for example, very strong sign of the weakness, move to the downside, and if we cannot get out through that level of the weakness, meaning that it was nothing else, just the retest. In that case, I like the longs. That's the name of the game. So we were talking during the first part about the single candles. Here we are talking about the patterns, the whole candlestick patterns when it comes to the market rally looking for a top or market bottom looking for a bottom. Okay? Always we have to look for some kind of the manipulation market is bringing to us to determine the next level of the move. Right? With that being said, guys, wish you great next training session. Do your own homework, do your own research as usual, and see you again around. Take care and goodbye.